Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abdul Blogger. In this video I'm going to show you how to create free NFT without paying any money. Okay, stick with me around to the end of this video. You are going to learn on how to do that and start implementing to make money for yourself. Okay, you can share it with your friend, maybe they may be interested in making money online. Okay, as you can see, all my video on YouTube, I don't usually edit my video. The reason is this: I always put straightforward video to you guys, because most of the YouTuber, they always edit their video. Okay, but proving that all my strategy I'm sharing with you is working, that's why I upload it direct the way I record it. Okay, let's dive into the video. Number one website I want you to open up is called OpenSea.com. Okay, OpenSea.com is a website that you can sell your NFT, okay, for free. Okay, you can sell your NFT art for free and exploit it to the world. Okay, people around the world, they are gonna buy it from anywhere around the world. Okay, it's very easy and simple strategy to do so. Okay, you don't need to pay down, or you don't need to pay gas fee, because some may charge you gas fee. Okay, as you can see, these are some NFT. This is going for 0.039. okay, as you can see, these are some NFT. Now I'm going to show you how to get this kind of NFT for free and start making down for yourself. Okay, stick with me to the end of this video. You are going to learn a lot from this. Okay, now let's go to create and leave it on create. Okay, the next website I want you to go, guys, is called free3d.com. okay, free3d.com. okay, this is a cool website. We can get our NFT for free without paying anything. Okay, it's cool to use. Okay guys, now let me show you an example of how it works. Okay, now when I click this, okay, scroll down a little bit. What you need to do is very easy. Right click on the image and copy it. Okay, when you do so, go to a site called canva.com. okay, I know most of you may know about this site. Canva.com is very easy site to create and upload your thumbnail or such thing on online stuff. Okay, when you're on this page, make sure you search Instagram post, or you should click it here, Instagram post. When I right click here, why I say you should search Instagram post is that the NFT we are going to create is Instagram post, is the size from Instagram post is the same as NFT on OpenSea. When you create more than that, it will not upload. Okay, now let's paste the image here. Okay guys, as you can see, I've pasted the image here. Now all you need to do is right click on this back. I'm just showing a free method to do this. Okay, as you can see, this is a cool, fantastic. Okay, just make sure you go around about it and make it look good. Okay, and make it look good. When you done that, now what you need to do is go back to OpenSea.com. right click on this page. When you click on the page, it's going to pop out some other stuff for you. Okay, now this is what you do for you to make this money. Let me use a random image. Okay guys, let me use a random image. Okay, let me use this. Okay, as you can see, you can name it the name of your store. Okay, you can name it, let's say I name it birthday gifts. Okay, birthday gift, fantastic. Now what you do here is OpenSea will include a link, URL, detail page, username. You don't need to do this. You can add a description. Just say created by your name of the store you include. Okay, now this place is collection. What you do here on this property is very important, guys. It's very important. Now go to Canva, check the color of this image you have pasted, check the name of the color. Okay, as you can see, this is 78966B. If you don't do this, the customer viewing your products will not understand how it works. You can write name of the color here and the character, add more, do the same thing. Go to Canva and go to 3D, the name of this image. Make sure you search the name of it's called Lego Man 3D. Write it there. Make sure anything around the image, write it on this space. When you done that, scroll down around. Okay, when you scroll down around here, you can write printing maximum. Okay, but for here blockchain, make sure you choose Polygon, a fast gas free blockchain experience that work with Ethereum. When you choose this, you are going to pay for gas fees, but I recommend you to choose it as a newbie. When you start making the money, you can use Ethereum. Okay, choose this. When you choose this, okay, you can print 10 or 100 depending on what you want. Okay, now go to create. When you are creating, it's going to be load up, it's going to pop up a robot and click it. Make sure you click it perfectly for you not to make a mistake. Okay, go to next. Okay, this is it. I'm going to show you where to receive your Ethereum. Okay, it's very easy. Now it's going to load up, as you can see. Sorry, this SS name is not available, please contact us. As you can see, the name I use, let me see, let me just name it my store. I think it will be more better. Yeah, let me name it my store. As you can see guys, okay, let me name it because I want to walk you through on how it works for you not to get mistake. Okay, I've named it my store. Now what I need to do here is make sure, okay, let me download this. Okay guys, it's downloading. Now let me save it to my PC. When I save it to my PC, okay, let me save it to my PC. Okay guys, I've saved it to my PC. As you can see, here is in my PC. Now this is what we do next. Go to this space and right click it. When you do so, okay, when you right click it, make sure you learn. When you right click it, it's going to take you to your PC. Now search for the video we have downloaded. Now let me do so. Yeah, this is the video, this is the picture, sorry, this is the picture. Now as you can see, yeah, description, just created by Alpha. Okay, when you do so, now scroll down around, come to here and say Polygon. Okay guys, you can add it to 10 and make it create. When you create, it's going to pop up a recapture. Make sure you capture it coolly. Okay, capture the bicycle. When you do so, capture the bicycle. It's going to load up for you guys. It's going to load up for you. Okay guys, when you have done with that, make sure you just hit this button. When you come to this price history, it's going to show you how to sell it. Okay, when you show you how to sell it, this is what you do. Okay guys, this is what you do. Make sure you come to this place, list your price, right? Yeah, list your price. Okay, each sell, each sell. When each sell is going to pop up the price amount you want to sell it. Okay, let me say 49. As you can see, 170,000 US dollar. This is much. You can reduce it to, let's say, 1.7. That is $5,000. You can sell this picture for $5,000 and make cool for yourself. Okay, let's leave it for 30 days guys. 30 days is very handsome, because 30 days, let's say 1 month. Yeah, 1 month. 1 month is very handsome. When you do so, it's complete listed. When I hit complete listed, it's going to pop up my MetaMask. I'm going to show you how to sign up with your MetaMask. When I show you how to sign up with your MetaMask, this is where they will pay your dollar, and you can transfer it to withdraw it to your currency. It's very simple to do guys. It's very simple. It's going to open up now. I'm going to log in, and boom, it's good to go. It will be listed on OpenSea marketplace. Okay, it's going to, as you can see guys, as you can see now, let me log in. When I do so, it will load up that my NFT is listed. As you can see, wow, you have listed your NFT avatar. Your NFT is listed. Thank you. I can share you to Facebook, Twitter, but I won't do that on this video. Now, after you have done this, make sure you come to MetaMask. When you come to MetaMask, when you come to MetaMask, search MetaMask on your Chrome browser. Okay, search MetaMask on your Chrome browser. This is what you do guys. Add it to your Chrome. Search for MetaMask on your Chrome browser. When you add it to your Chrome, as you can see, I've already have it to my Chrome. When you do so, it's going to load up on this app and sign up with your email and password. When you do that, it's going to open your MetaMask directly. When you open your MetaMask directly, you can sign it and earn your Ethereum. When someone bought your Ethereum, you can be paid in dollar and send it to your bank account, or buy the Ethereum or swap it with other necessary online stuff. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on my next course video.